Here I have a 2024 Chevy Silverado with a 2.7 liter engine, and I'm going to do a quick rundown how to do the oil change. At the top, and to make it very easy for you, there's your oil fill cap, and right next to it, the yellow handle is the dipstick. At the bottom, to make it very easy too, to access your drain plug and your oil filter, you got a 15 millimeter drain plug, and then the oil filter is right next to it. The torque spec for that drain plug is 18 foot-pounds, and if it has an aluminum pan. Apparently, if it has a plastic pan, there's a different torque spec. Your oil filter, if you want to get another AC Delco, is PF66, or I used an STP, and this was the number that I got. You want to fill it up with 5.5 quarts, and it kind of specifies here it's Dexos 1 Generation 2, and remember, this is for the 2.7 liter engine. And when you get your gallon of oil, you want to make sure that it says Dexos 1. This one says Generation 3, so anything that's Generation 2 and above, you can use. This is usually what I get just because it's the cheapest. I'm not saying to get it, I'm just saying this is what I get. And then to reset your oil life, you're going to use this button here, this scroll, and you want to scroll down to oil life right there. And you want to press it, go to the side to where it says yes, and then press the middle button again. What you can also do is you can turn your ignition on, engine off, and press down on the gas pedal all the way down 3 times within 5 seconds, and that should also reset your oil life. Only thing is if you have a push start button to turn on the ignition without turning on the engine, what you have to do is you want to press down on the push start button without pressing on the brake pedal, and you want to hold it for about 5 seconds until all your menus pop up. Usually if it doesn't work once, try it again without pressing on the brake pedal, and then all your menus should pop up, and then your ignition is on but your engine is off.